Hello my dear friends. Redmi Note 8 along with Google Assistant can do wonders, about which I am going to tell you in this video now. In Redmi Note 8 we have a feature called Quick Ball. And you can have 5 shortcuts attached to Quick Ball. Open your mobile and open settings. Under settings you scroll down and you go to additional settings. You will find Quick Ball here. Open Quick Ball. Now I have activated it. You have to turn it on if it is not turned on already in your mobile. Turn it on and you will find select shortcuts here and then preferred gesture. Preferred gesture I have selected tap. You can either select tap or swipe. Now this will come on the screen, and if you don't use it for 3 seconds it will disappear. See, let us see. Within 3 seconds it will disappear and it will go to the edge of the mobile phone. You find here hide automatically, move aside when full screen, stick to the edge after 3 seconds of inactivity. I have switched it on. Show on lock screen, I have switched it on also. Let us go back to the home screen and you will find Quick Ball is here. See. So this is the Quick Ball. You can move it anywhere you want. You can move it to any place you want on your screen. The Quick Ball shortcuts can be chosen according to your requirement and your preference. At present I have chosen shortcuts for WhatsApp, camera, torch, screenshot and assistant. As you will see here, WhatsApp is there, camera is there, then torch is there, screenshot is there. See, torch is on now. If I touch camera will start. So camera is on now. Going back. If I touch screenshot, it will take a screenshot. It has taken a screenshot. So these shortcuts you can use it on Quick Ball. Suppose you want calculator instead of torch. You just touch torch. Go to this page. It says select shortcuts. Go to this page. Touch apps right at the bottom. And then touch calculator. So now calculator has come there instead of torch. See, now calculator will open there. So you need not go searching for calculator app among the various shortcuts you have stored on your home screen. You can touch it here, it will open. Now let us go to the home screen. When you tap the Quick Ball icon, it comes out like this. There is no cluttering here, so it will be easy for me to operate this. So I will put it there. When you tap the Quick Ball, it comes out from the side of your phone. If you don't use the quick ball for more than 3 seconds, it will hide on the edge of the mobile phone. You can choose any one of the 5 shortcuts and it will open immediately when it is activated, like camera, Google Assistant, calculator, or anything you want. Google Assistant can do a lot of things for you just by taking your voice commands. Now let us try it. Call Srinivasan home mobile.
Calling Srinivasan home mobile.
See, it has called me and my telephone is ringing now. Now let me tell you about another feature of the mobile phone. We all have photographs of our grandparents and our relatives who are no more. We respect them and we keep their photographs, but most of the photographs will be black and white, because those days color photography was not in vogue. Now with this Redmi mobile, you can colorize the photographs. Go to Play Store in your mobile and then type colorize there. When you go to colorize, we will get so many things there. Some of them are paid apps. This one which I am taking now, I think it is free. So colorize black and white photos. I say install. So it is installing now. So now let me open it. Open. When I open it, it is asking me, please allow permission to save file. Say OK. Allow. Then it says select photo. You select the photo, it goes to your gallery. From your gallery, you take a black and white photo, you choose. Your black and white photograph has come here. You can crop it if you want. You can reduce the size, or you can crop it. Select, and then after cropping, click that. It will convert it. Now click convert. When you click convert, it has converted the photograph, and it is saying rate the app. So go to your gallery now. You will find that the photograph has been colored. See how nicely it has colored the photograph. This is a nature scene with flowers and tree. The same thing it will do for the photographs of people also. Now I am going to choose 2 black and white photographs and see how it appears after colorizing. This is one of my recent photos which I am going to try now. Let us go to colorize. Let us open the colorize app. So it says select black and white photo, crop it as you want, click convert to colorize black and white photo, compare before and after colorized photo. So let us select a photo. So let me select this black and white photo. See, it says crop image. crop image. So let me crop it. Touch crop image. it will crop it. Now touch convert. It takes a few seconds to convert. It is now converting. Please wait, it says. Converting, please wait. So the conversion is taking place now. So it has converted, successfully converted. So it is asking how many stars are you going to give for this app. Let us see the conversion. Open with. Can you see the conversion now? How different it is from black and white photo. It has nicely converted into color photo. So we will try one more photograph. Then select photo. Now we will select this photo. This is a black and white photo. Crop image. It has cropped. Now it is going to convert. It's converting now. Okay. Let us see how the photograph has come. See, this is the colorized photo. You can see how much difference is there between the black and white and colorized photo. This is a really nice app I have come across. Now, in my next video, I will be telling more about such interesting features in the mobile phone and also in the Google Assistant app. If you like this video, please subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and give a thumbs up and share it. Thank you for viewing this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.